Huh?
Say hi, Papa.
Hey, Papa.
Say hi, Papa.
Can you say hi, Papa?
Okay. Hey.
Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi, Izzy.
Say
Hi, Izzy.
say hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Say love. Say love you.
Hi, you.
I love you. I love you,
You
teacher.
said
You-
and we said and
When she pushed the button, she said, "Where's Nana?" And I said, "She's all gone. You can't push the button." And she said, "Okay, don't push the button." Right?
Can you say hi to Papa, too?
Say hi.
Say hi, Papa.
Oh, don't push the button. You'll lose Nana. Say hi, Papa. You there? Say hi, Papa. You gonna say hi to Papa?
no.
No, why not?
Okay, okay. Are you going to play with the puppies today?
Are you there?